this is Dave Coast. I'm out here at the AudioFormz factory in Canton, Texas, and today I've got a 2026 Can-Am X3 MAX, and it's got the new 10.5-inch screen on it, and I wanted to show you our top and how it integrates with the screen and how everything still functions together. If you're on the fence, there's two ways you can order this top if you have the screen. You can order it with a standalone head unit, or you can order it where it directly connects into your screen and controls everything. Now, I just walked up to this machine. I know the machine's been sitting here for a little while, but it's my first time with the machine. I have never even turned this machine on, and I want to walk you through pairing up your phone to the new screen and how everything works. So we're going to learn together. So if I fumble a little bit, bear with me. Now, that being said, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please like and subscribe. I take a lot of time to make these videos so that I can give you as much information as possible, so it really helps me out and lets me know that you watched this video or if it was helpful. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments area, and I'll try my best to respond. You can always reach me at 888-919-1990 with any further questions. But let's go inside, let's take a look at this thing and see what we got. All right, so like I said, this is my first time ever in this machine. I've never paired my phone up to it, so bear with me if I fumble around a little bit. I'm not an expert at it, but we're going to be an expert together. So turn the machine on, radio comes on. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is probably connect my phone. It says that there's nothing connected, so let's connect the device. It's connected to my Wi-Fi because my guys earlier had it connected to the Wi-Fi. And I'm going to go to my Bluetooth. It's not going to find anything that's already paired because I've never paired to this thing before. So I would guess it's going to ask me to pair once it doesn't find anything. Let's see how this works. All right, so after it can't find that anything is paired, we're going to connect a device. So we hit connect device, and we're going to connect a phone, and we're going to add a new phone. As you can see, our shop technician Michael's already been connected to this. So we're going to connect a phone. It's searching for devices. There's my phone right there. It's going to show this code right here, which is the same as on the screen, and I'm going to hit pair. Not going to sync my contacts this time because this is not my machine. All right, so we are connected. As you see right here, we're connected. Now, I can go to Spotify and pick something out. I don't know, I got this right here. So you see all that pairs really good. Now, something else here. We're going to go to preferences, and we've got our EQ settings, so we can adjust the bass, we can adjust the mids, the trebles. Now, you have to have the latest version of the BRP update at the time of this video. I'm shooting this video in July. There was just an update that came out that allows you to have this equalizer here. So if you don't see this, you're just an update away from having that. Now, our roofs are still going to come with the same switches that you have. So you've got our speaker lights right here, you've got our dome light right here, we've got our front light and our rear light. So just the same as if you'd ordered it with a head unit. If you choose not to get it with this standalone or with this direct connect, we will have an option for a standalone radio that would go right here. So that will give you two screens. That screen's going to have a little bit more controllability over the EQ and the settings, but we offer it either way. If you haven't seen one of our roofs before, all of our roofs are hand constructed here in Canton, Texas. They're all made out of hand-laid fiberglass. We use our speakers. Our speakers are an Evo. The model line is usually either Evo 2 or Evo Pro 2. They'll have our amplifier in it. So this one here looks like it's a stage 5. So it's got two amplifiers in it. They're 900 watts a piece. One of the amplifiers is running our speakers. The other amplifier is running the subs. And if you notice our lights right here, this is a patented light ring that we have to be on the outside of the speaker facing outward. This speaker light is controlled by our app, and let me show you what our app is. And this is, again, at the time of this video, this could always change. So if we go here, we're going to see that it's connected to this device. It's automatically going to connect, and you can change to solid colors if you want. There's blue, there's yellow, there's purple, there's red. There's all of those solid colors. And then you can also go in here and pick different patterns. So we've got, you know, hundreds of different patterns. You can connect the different speeds of the patterns. You can make all different kinds of stuff. This is only available in IC LEDs. A lot of the other cheaper manufacturers, they use the old school RGBs. And when you do that, you're only going to be able to fade in. So see how this one is running patterns around it? Another thing too is our speaker cones are backlit. So the speaker cone is backlit and the LED rings around there. So we think, you know, these are the best lit up speakers that on the market that you can get. And people really love these speakers. As far as the warranty on these tops go, they come with a 1-year warranty. So I believe the factory top's only going to come with 6 months. I could be wrong, but ours is going to come with a 1-year warranty. It comes with lifetime tech support. So if you have an issue 3 years from now, you're not on the hook, you're not on your own, you could give us a call. We'll be happy to open up a support ticket, troubleshoot it for you, and get you the parts. If it's within that 1-year warranty, the parts are under warranty if there's any manufacturer defects or anything like that. So we're happy to help you out with that. This roof is very easy to install. It bolts down in the 4 corners, and it's a power and a ground down to the battery, and then you've got one other wire that drops down that's going to connect to the radio, and it's just a quick connect harness, makes it real easy. This whole thing will install in probably 15-20 minutes. Let me show you the light bars on this. I went into this a little bit more than what I just was going to show you, but let me just do you a full walk around on this so you can see everything else also. I'll turn these light bars on. So here we've got a slim row 40-inch light bar. It does not stick up above the roof. It's mounted low, and it's super bright. And in the back, we've got a small light here so that you can see when you're backing up. It's very, very bright. So at nighttime, you're going to be able to see where you're going. And our top is just real slick. Let me come walk around over here and show you. It's just it's real slick. And as you can see, it works with an array of different windows. So this is a Super ATV flip-up window. It'll work with the OEM power fold window. It'll work with just about every window on the market. I've never heard of a front window not working with this thing. But you can see here, it's got really nice body lines. It just looks really sleek. It's very loud. It's very clear. I think it's the best top on the market. So feel free to give us a call. Again, 888-919-1990. I answer the phone a lot of the times. You can visit us online, www.audioformz.com, or you can visit any of our dealers in our dealer network. We'd be happy to get you fixed up. I hope you have a great day.